Okay guys, now I must pick, we're gonna remove the pin from the lock mechanism. The pin you should hit from the right side of the driver. I made my tool, it's from old screwdriver, I cut it, so it's ready for hitting. Now when you hit, you must prepare the surface, put from down something to be good aligned. Here I use this wood to have contrast. Be careful, very careful for the cables, not to find them in between and cut by mistake. So the pin, it's like this is new pin. The pin inside is like this and we want to remove it. Let's see how it goes. So you hit from the right side of the driver. Yes, this is Chinese shit. My screwdrivers broke. I want to try like this, only with this. No. Doesn't want to move at all. I must find better tools. This shit. And this hammer is small and this fucking shit is small. Okay guys, I'm back. So I managed to remove it. I found some better tools, bigger hammer of course. I found this, it's an old bit from screwdriver. It's like this, I don't know if you can see, it's not ordinary bit, it's like rectangular shape. This, until it starts to move, I use this bigger bit. I hit it with a lot of power, and then I use this. It's steel nail. It's from I don't know from what it is. I found it. I cut this in front to be straight, and I hit with this to remove to the end. So this is the metal which holds. I can see it start little to lose shape, not to be straight, to be a little curve. I don't know. My eyes see this. I don't know if you can see on the camera. And this part, it's, I can say it's very strong, very heavy on the hand. It says F10 from behind. I don't know what this means, but I think they started to make this a little stronger. My scooter is from 2019 and I don't see that this part start to lose shape, because I saw from some other guys when they change it, it's totally curved. You know, it's like banana, and mine it's not at all. Now I realized that maybe I could leave it. I didn't need maybe to change it. I don't know. I will change it with the new one to see what happens, and if the new one, where is my new one? One moment. Here I bought it from AliExpress. I don't know. It's aluminium. It's very light. I don't know the strength exactly. It's much fatter, as you can see. It's much fatter, and I don't know. Maybe it will hold better from this mine. It's little bigger. This. If you can see, wait a moment. This space inside is little bigger. That I'm worried about. I don't know. I must see. I must see what happens now. I will put it and I'll see what it's gonna be. One moment. Hello guys. So at the end I realized I do wanna put it. I try with my old pin. I put it in place because my old pin it goes through. It doesn't need heat. So I managed to put my old pin with this new lock mechanism, and I tightened all the screws in front like this, and it was okay, I can say. So I decided to put it anyway, but with new pin. First of all, I want to lubricate little things just to go smooth. Put little here and here. Just watch out on the end when it needs to go through other hole that it's aligned well, because now I'm gonna hit. Let's see where it is. I think it's on the place where it should be. You hit with the hammer until you can hit more with the hammer, then we use pins. Let's see again. Double check is always good. It's okay, but it goes a little harder because it's new pin. But always do with precautions. It goes a little harder than I thought. We'll see. I'm at the end almost. Just be careful. You see, now it's moving. Start to move. I wanna hit it a little more, just to come to the place. So let's see. Okay. Let's check now. It's almost at the place. One more 2 hits and it's done. I think it's okay now. Yeah, it's on place. Let me show you a close look. This pin is very strong. This pin that goes inside. I hit it with so much power. In one moment I thought that it won't be possible to go inside. But with proper tools and little hammering, it's okay. Now I'm gonna screw this and we'll see then from there. Just a moment. I don't want to tighten too much because when I close I'm gonna screw it to the end. Just one like this. Because I don't open often this, I don't fold my scooter, I'm gonna tighten it good, not to have this luft here, and this is okay, it's enough. A little more, close this. Now it's better from original, I can say. It's very good. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.